Hey guys, Kevin with American Door Supply here, and in 30 seconds and 11 steps, I'm going to show you how to set up a jack shaft or a side mount air powered operator. Let's do it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure those cylinders, control box, and the plumbing is all installed properly. We're going to follow that manual so we do it the right way. Number 2, we're going to shut off the air at the source. Number 3, we're going to close those flow controls down, make sure that we're nice and safe when we get into the further steps. Number 4, we're going to hook up the air lines to both the control box and the cylinder. And number 5, we're going to set the open limit. When we get done with that, the next thing we're going to set that close limit, and then we're going to hit the close button on the control box to make sure when we do the final setup, the door doesn't open. Number 8, we're going to turn on the air real slowly from the source to make sure we don't have a door that opens automatically. And number 9, we're going to adjust the air pressure at the regulator, and we're going to bring it up to about 60 psi. Number 10, we're going to adjust the flow controls, and number 11, we're going to adjust the flow controls and the air pressure at the regulator to get that desired speed and smoothness. And that's it. Now this door system is going to operate smoothly, quickly, reliably, and safely, and this business operation is going to be profitable and trouble-free. Now if you want to see us go into greater detail with this type of project, check out our website at carwashdoors.com. Can't wait to see you there.